While creating La Luciole bespoke ecological oil burner, I love to decorate my house. French people, we take a lot of energy to bring beautiful objects. So I really wanted to develop a decorative object which is beautiful for your eyes, for your house, but also for your nose, because with my little Luciole, you're able to have the scent you wish, and in a very subtle, delicate, chic way. Some objects like real diffuser, candle, are a bit strong in diffusion. When the oil burner, it's really delicate, and you can put it in your bedroom to help you to sleep before to go to bed. You can put it on your desk to help you to focus. It's more an object for yourself. Or when you receive people, you can put it on the dinner table and it doesn't pollute with the smell of the food. So a beautiful object of decoration made in 3 parts. It brings light and warmth in your home. Now I'm gonna let you choose your oil online and explain you how it works. Create your bespoke oil burner online. So you go to Maison landing page, you open a shop menu, and here you have the bespoke on set menu, where you see here your Luciole Oil Burner of Maison. So of course the product comes with the oil burner itself, but we're gonna ask you to be involved in the choice of your scent we will offer with the oil burner. So same principle, you're gonna open the window with all the scent available in oil burner. You have about 12, and you can organize by mood, for instance. So I want to find something that will chill me. You know, I love to put my oil burner on in my room, so I'm going to select sandalwood. You have all the specification of sandalwood with the strand, the lasting, the evolution, and you have a little movie to explain you the mood of sandalwood. So I apply, and then we're going to ask you to select another scent. You can use each oil individually, or you can mix them to create your bespoke scent. So I love amber, so I'm gonna see how is amber. It's quite woody, vanilla, sensual, so perfect for me. So I have my 2 scents selected. I can see the scent characteristics. You have a little recap here, how will be the combo together of sandal and amber, and you have the description of the product, what you get, why we are sustainable. You know, all the oil are vegan, phthalate-free, so this is really a nice product for your health and for the whole family. Then if you scroll down, you have a little movie of explanation about the oil burner, how to make it, and here we have what I call the best-selling creation of oil burner, where we recommend you oil according to your mood. If you want to be outstanding and unique, we recommend jasmine amber. If you want something that relax and distress you, you have cedar and incense. So this product, you can view it and really put it directly to your cart. It's really easy. You don't need to select the scent, they're already selected for you. Very easy. And then you have finally at the bottom of the page the return and shipping condition, why we are a clean and sustainable brand, and how to use your oil burner when you receive your product at home. You have all the detail here. So you're ready to put your bespoke oil burner in your cart. So here is your beautiful box. You just received your Luciole Olfactive, your bespoke ecological oil burner. So as every object of Maison, you're gonna have to work a bit to make it for yourself. So you will receive your oil burner in 3 parts. So you have the base, then you will have the glass part where you're gonna put the candle inside, and then very important, you have the brass part, which is a beautiful object, handmade, where you're gonna be able to place your candle here. You're gonna light, and you have the matches, and then you have the 2 oils you have chosen. So for me, it was the lavender to help me to relax, and I have the amber, which is very warm, very elegant. I love to put at night also. So this is your 2 oils, and now you're gonna have to light up your candle. So it's gonna create some energy to be able to burn the oil we're gonna put on the Luciole. So very simple. So be careful when the candle is hot, it's gonna bring energy to the brass plate, and it's why your oil is gonna diffuse, so don't put your hands on it when it's heating. So here I can start my mix between amber and lavender, my favorite, really relaxing and comforting. I love to put the Luciole next to my bed before to go to bed. I even put it in the kids' room, and I love to put it on my desk also when I work. I would use more vetiver and sage to enhance my concentration. And it's nice also to put this beautiful object on the table, on the dining table or the living room table when you receive guests. They will all ask questions, oh, what is it? It smells beautiful. The smell is very chic, subtle and delicate. And it's very good for your health and for the whole family. So dare to bespoke your own oil burner with beautiful natural oil and makes the mix of your desire.